Moringa is one of the most nutritious plants in the world, so it's actually the leaves of this tree that grows all over the tropics. I first came across Moringa as a Peace Corps volunteer in Niger, West Africa, in a really rural village. A couple of the women told me about this amazing plant. They actually reached up to this tree, pulled these leaves, and mixed it into this snack called Kuli Kuli. I started eating it, it made me feel better, and I did a little research and I was like, oh my God, this plant is so nutritious. All parts of the tree are edible, so you can eat the leaves, which is the part that we sell, but you can also eat the seeds. This is a complete plant protein. It has calcium, it has iron, it has all these anti-inflammatory benefits. It's kind of like an earthy flavor similar to matcha. There's a little bit of spiciness at the end, and so often people add it to their smoothies, but then they'll look at it and they'll be like, oh, I can also add it to my savory dishes. It's truly a win-win.